In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an application in Zoho Creator. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First things first, head over to the Zoho website. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the Zoho suite of cloud software designed for businesses. At the top right corner, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on that and it will bring you to the Zoho sign-in page. If you don't already have a Zoho account, now would be a good time to sign up. It's a straightforward process that requires just a few details. Once you've signed in, navigate to Zoho Home. This is essentially your control center where you can access all your Zoho apps in one place. It's designed to be your base of operations, allowing for seamless navigation between applications. From here, you'll want to look for the Zoho Creator application. Click on that and it will take you to the Zoho Creator dashboard. Now on the Zoho Creator dashboard, you'll see a button that says Create Application. Click on it and this is where the magic begins. Zoho Creator offers you a bunch of templates and options to get started. Whether you're building an app from scratch or using one of their pre-built templates, you'll find something that fits your needs. When creating your application, you'll be amazed at how user-friendly the interface is. You can drag and drop elements, set up forms, and even automate tasks with minimal effort. Take your time to explore the options and see what works best for your specific application needs. Remember, the interface is very intuitive, allowing you to tweak and fiddle with your app until it's just right. As you work through building your application, keep an eye on the save button. Zoho Creator does a great job of regularly saving your work, but it never hurts to hit save yourself from time to time, especially when you've made significant changes. Once your app is set up and you've reviewed everything to make sure it fits your needs, you can go ahead and deploy it. You can share it with your team or the intended users, ensuring everyone has access to this powerful new tool you've just built. And there you have it, you've just created your very first application using Zoho Creator. With this powerful tool in your hand, you can streamline processes and enhance the way you manage your tasks or business activities. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to explore more of what Zoho has to offer, and remember, the possibilities are practically endless.